Hi y'all, I'm back with my first official Christmas video. I know it's late, it's already like a week away from Christmas, but I've been super busy, like I mentioned in my last video, with Christmas orders and all that stuff. It's hard to split your time between baking and crafting when baking is your full-time job. But anyway, I have some mini wallet album shares for you guys. Here's the first one. And here's the second, and they're used from an old DCWV die cuts with a view paper stack called Cranberry something. It's, I want to say maybe 2-3 years ago from die cuts with a view. They haven't come back out with it since then. I love it, so I use a little bit every year for Christmas and hoard the paper pad as long as I can. So let's just dive right into these. Okay. So the base of each one is black, and that's the back. And then I just used some coordinating paper flowers and added some Spectrum Noir glitter pen on the front. And then there are two gold, I can't even think right now, guys. But for a closure, I used some white and gold twine. So just gonna undo it like this. Yeah, there we go. And then there's a little sticker right here that I used. So you open it up like this, and then you see the 3 spaces for photos here, and then you flip it down like that. Let's move this one out the side. And then there are 2 photo spots here, and you take these out and you can put a photo on the front and the back, and there's 2 in each pocket, so 4 little mini photos can fit here and 4 little mini photos can fit there. And then these pull out like so here, and then you have room for 6 photos each, plus in the middle you can put 2 smaller photos. So these wallets may be little, but they hold a lot of photos. It is a great Christmas gift to give to a family member or a friend. I usually give these as Christmas gifts to some family members of mine. Every year I make different ones, so I kind of like them. They're cute, and then I just do different themes. These are actually really cute Christmas ones. Last year's was bright candy colors, so yeah. So on this one, I have 2 silver snowflake pieces, and then 2 bigger red and silver brads. So you flip it up, it's the same thing, 3 here, the 2 pockets down here, 6 on this side, front and back, and 6 on this side, front and back, and then the inside for the 2. So I will be back probably tomorrow with another share, probably a Christmas photo folio share. So until then, guys, I will see you later. Bye-bye.